Hey, what's up guys? This is Shell Ninja and welcome to my YouTube channel after a long time. In this video, I'll be showing the latest updates and implementations in my hyperconf.files. This video won't be so long. Maybe I'll try to cover within 5 or 6 minutes. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, in my previous video, I have shown you that I used the Sequoia SDDM theme in the configuration, but due to login related issues, I had to switch to another SDDM theme, and now I'm using the Silent SDDM theme. Let me show you a demo. After running the installation script for the first time and reboot the system, you will see something like this. Just press any key or click anywhere, select Hyprland, provide your user password, then hit enter and you will be logged into your new Hyprland session. Changing SDDM background and colors will be the same as previous, but I have done something new, like you can set your user avatar in the SDDM theme. First, open your file manager, copy your user image, then in the terminal run a script which is .config/hyper scripts and sddm avatar.sh. Run the script, paste the image path, hit enter, provide your user password. You can see that the avatar has been applied successfully. Well, the next biggest implementation is now you can change your monitor brightness even if you are using an external monitor. If I press F4, the brightness will be increased, and if I press F3, the brightness will be decreased. If you visit this repository and in the wiki, you will find a new page named Desktop Brightness Control. In this page, I have tried to mention how you can implement this feature in your window manager. But if you run the installation script, the process will be automatically applied to your system. So that's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If so, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for new updates. You can also visit my GitHub repository, hit the star button, and encourage me to do more with this configuration. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.